Welcome to Review Lab. The best Urnex Grindz is probably one of the most essential yet overlooked maintenance products for any coffee enthusiast who owns a grinder, as it's designed to effectively remove stale coffee grounds and oils that can build up over time, ensuring that every cup you brew tastes as fresh and vibrant as the beans themselves, ultimately preserving the quality and longevity of your valuable grinding equipment. Number 5. Cafiza Professional Espresso Machine Cleaner. Introducing Cafiza Professional Espresso Machine Cleaner, a powerful solution designed to keep your espresso machine in top condition. This 566-gram container ensures you have enough for multiple deep cleans. Its advanced formula effectively removes stubborn coffee oils and residue that can build up over time. This helps maintain the optimal performance and taste of your espresso. By regularly cleaning with this professional-grade cleaner, you can significantly enhance the taste of your espresso. Ensure every shot is as delicious as the first. Using it is simple and straightforward, integrating seamlessly into your cleaning routine. Achieve professional results with minimal effort. Whether for a busy cafe or your home espresso setup, this cleaner is the professional choice. It's designed for consistent, high-quality results every time. Regular maintenance is key to the longevity of your espresso machine. This cleaner helps protect your investment and ensures smooth operation. What we like. This cleaner is designed for professional-grade espresso machines. If you're running a busy cafe or demand the highest quality from your home espresso setup, this is for you. It tackles tough coffee oils, ensuring your machine performs optimally and your espresso tastes its best. What people say. Grindz works great and cleans out the old coffee residue. It does a good job of cleaning out the coffee grinder. Number 4. Urnex Cleancaf Coffee and Espresso Machine Cleaner. Are you experiencing bitter-tasting coffee? This can happen when residual coffee oils and buildup turn rancid inside your machine. Our cleaner effectively eliminates these oils and buildup. It gently removes lime scale and oil residue from your automatic coffee makers and espresso machines. You'll enjoy faster brewing and better-tasting coffee without harsh chemicals or odors. Proudly made in America, our cleaner is odorless and non-toxic. You won't have to deal with any unpleasant vinegar smells, just pure, clean coffee. Using it is as easy as brewing a pot of coffee. It's a simple, effective solution to cut through buildup without compromising your machine or your coffee's taste. Each pack contains a single-use treatment, providing you with a 3-month supply. Keep your coffee tasting great, month after month. It's safe for use on popular brands like Keurig, Bologna, Nespresso, Ninja, Hamilton Beach, Mr. Coffee, and Braun. What we like. Looking for a safe and effective way to clean your automatic coffee maker? This option is odorless, non-toxic, and safe for many popular brands. If you want to prevent bitter coffee and remove buildup without harsh chemicals or vinegar smells, this is the perfect choice for your daily brew. What people say. Grindz works great to clean out the coffee grinder. It is a great product and it does a good job of cleaning the grinder. Number 3. Urnex Grindz Grinder Cleaning Tablets. Tired of old coffee residue affecting your brew? Our all-natural cleaning tablets are designed to tackle stubborn coffee oils and grounds. They help extend the life of your grinder, ensuring peak performance. Cleaning your standalone grinder has never been easier. These food-safe tablets work effectively without the need to disassemble burrs or casings. Enjoy a cleaner grinder and a purer coffee taste with every use. Our patented formula is all-natural, food-safe, and gluten-free. It's specifically designed to absorb and loosen coffee grounds, making cleaning simple and worry-free. You can trust it to keep your grinder clean and your coffee delicious. Regular use of these tablets ensures proper hygiene and maintains consistent grinder performance. This means you get the best possible grind every time, without any off flavors. It's an essential step for any coffee lover. Switching between different coffee beans. Our tablets are ideal for preventing flavor transfer. Keep your regular, decaf, and flavored beans tasting exactly as they should, without any unwanted mingling of tastes. What we like. If you're serious about the taste of your coffee and want to maintain your standalone grinder, this is the product for you. It's all natural, food-safe tablets absorb and loosen coffee grounds without requiring you to take apart your burrs. Choose this if you want to prevent flavor transfer and extend the life of your grinder. What people say. Grindz is a fantastic product that works well to clean coffee grinders. It is easy to use and effectively removes coffee oils and residue. The product is made from food-safe ingredients and is safe for your grinder. Number 2. Urnex Dezcal Coffee and Espresso Machine Descaler. Tired of scale buildup affecting your coffee and espresso machine? Our powerful descaler is designed to tackle tough scale deposits. It effectively removes scale from boilers, heating elements, and more. Get your machine back to optimal performance quickly. This descaler works fast to break down mineral buildup. Enjoy a cleaner machine and better tasting beverages. It's perfect for a variety of components in your coffee and espresso setup. Use it on boilers, heating elements, faucets, spray heads, and milk systems. Keep every part of your machine clean. Using our descaler is simple and straightforward. Just follow the easy instructions to dissolve stubborn scale. It's an essential part of your machine maintenance routine. Don't let scale ruin your coffee or espresso. This activated remover helps restore the original flavor and performance of your machine. Experience the difference a clean machine makes. This generous 900g bottle ensures you have enough descaler for multiple uses. Keep your equipment in top condition with this effective and long-lasting solution. What we like. Is your coffee machine slow or making strange noises? This powerful descaler is designed to quickly and effectively remove scale buildup from boilers and heating elements. If you're experiencing reduced heating performance or want to prevent long-term damage to your espresso machine or coffee maker, this is the solution. What people say. Grindz is a great product that does exactly what it says it will do. It cleans your grinder effectively and is easy to use. The product is made of food-safe ingredients and is safe to use with your coffee grinder. Number 1. Urnex Grindz Grinder Cleaning Tablets. Keep your coffee grinder performing at its best with these professional-grade cleaning tablets. They are designed for a thorough and easy cleaning experience. Over time, coffee oils can build up and affect the taste of your coffee. These tablets effectively remove those residues, restoring the original flavor. Each packet contains a single-use portion, making cleaning simple and mess-free. Just follow the easy instructions for a perfect clean every time. Formulated with food-safe ingredients, they won't harm your grinder's burrs or internal components. You can clean with confidence. This pack includes 3 individual servings, ensuring you have enough for multiple cleaning sessions. Maintain your grinder's quality with ease. What we like. For those who travel or want a convenient way to keep their grinder clean on the go, these single-use packets are ideal. If you need a quick and easy solution to clean your standalone coffee grinder without mess or measuring, these are perfect. They ensure your grinder stays in top condition wherever you are. What people say. Grindz is a food-safe product that cleans coffee grinders effectively. It removes coffee oils and residue without damaging the grinder's burrs. The product is easy to use, simply grind it like coffee beans and then brush out any remaining particles. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.